What is coefficient of performance in refrigeration? Imagine a refrigerator that uses just a little bit of energy to keep your food cold, while another might waste a lot more. How do we tell which one is better? That's where the coefficient of performance comes in. The coefficient of performance, or COP, is a simple way to measure how efficiently a refrigeration system works. It compares the amount of heat removed from the cold space to the energy used to do that. Think of it like a scorecard for how well your fridge converts electricity into cooling power. To be more precise, the COP is calculated by dividing the heat removed from the refrigerated space by the work or energy input needed to remove that heat. Usually, the work input is the electrical energy consumed by the compressor, which is the part that compresses the refrigerant. So, if a refrigerator has a COP of 4, it means it removes for units of heat for every 1 unit of electrical energy it uses. From a thermodynamics point of view, the COP helps us understand how well the refrigeration cycle transfers heat from a low-temperature space to a higher-temperature environment. The higher the COP, the more efficient the system is, because it provides more cooling for less energy. There is also a theoretical maximum COP, called the Carnot COP, which depends on the temperatures of the cold space and the surroundings. No real system can reach this ideal, but it gives us a benchmark to compare against. Practical systems usually have a COP lower than this maximum because of losses and inefficiencies. Knowing the COP is important for engineers and technicians because it helps them choose energy-efficient equipment. For large cooling systems used in factories or supermarkets, a higher COP means lower operating costs and less energy use. This makes the system more sustainable and saves money over time. To find the COP, you need to know 2 things: how much heat the system is removing, called the cooling capacity, and how much electrical power it consumes. The formula is straightforward. Divide the cooling capacity by the electrical power input. This ratio shows how well the system performs. In simple terms, the coefficient of performance is a key number that tells us how effectively a refrigeration system uses energy to produce cooling. It guides us in designing, selecting, and improving refrigeration units, making sure they work efficiently and cost-effectively.